Good morning, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. Republicans and Democrats in Congress are working hard together to avoid a government shutdown which could be occurring in a few days. Progressives are very worried about the new monthly benefit increase for Social Security beneficiaries. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you the latest news and information on the fourth stimulus check. Please, friends, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Democrats are floating another short-term spending patch that kicks the next shutdown threat closer to the holidays, hoping to needle Republicans into talks over a sweeping government funding deal. And as they approach the December 3rd deadline, top Democrats are considering a stopgap further into December as their only leading option, potentially December 17th, rather than a longer continuing resolution that pushes the deadline into the new year. While nothing has been decided yet, support for another fast fix is building as Democrats steadily berate Republicans for refusing to engage in bipartisan talks on annual spending bills, while GOP leaders mull a year-long patch that would stick Democrats with funding levels set during the former president's administration. When asked about resorting to a continuing resolution, Representative David Price said, "I hate that we have to do an additional continuing resolution, but if we're going to do one, then I think it should be as short as possible." A continuing resolution is a temporary funding measure that Congress can use to fund the federal government for a limited amount of time. Even if Congress enacts another stopgap that provides a couple of additional weeks to negotiate, prospects are bleak for a bipartisan government funding deal before the end of December, likely necessitating another stopgap into early next year. Republican Senator Richard Shelby told reporters it would take a miracle to work out a deal between now and December 17th. "My personal goal would always be to fund a government, but not at any cost." The two parties are sparring over a host of policy stipulations in the spending bills and have yet to agree on overall funding limits for some programs. A possible shutdown deadline of December 17th would run up against a new December 15th deadline when the Treasury Department could run out of money to pay the government's bills on time, adding to Democrats' legislative pileup as they work to pass President Biden's sprawling social safety net package before Christmas.
Thank you very much. Well, first of all, congratulations, Madam Speaker. This is an historic piece of legislation. You were its leader with, as you say, the vision of the President of the United States. This bill will speak for itself to millions and millions and millions and millions of Americans whose lives will be made more secure, more richer in the terms of quality of life, whose educational opportunities will be greater, and whose job opportunities will be greatly enhanced. And America's competitiveness in the world will be heightened for the 21st century. As the President said, this is a transformational piece of legislation. It's a big win for the people, for the average working men and women of America, for those who struggle every day and hope that somebody is on their side. Somebody is listening to their pain and their struggle and their challenge. This bill is an answer. This bill will make a difference in their lives. That's why this bill is so historic. Not for next year, the year after, but for decades to come. It will make America a better land, a land of greater opportunity, a land of the free, a land of the brave. I now yield to my distinguished colleague from South Carolina, who counted the votes precisely. Thank you, Jim.
For weeks now, Democrats have argued that Republicans are gambling with critical federal programs and military readiness in entertaining a long-term stopgap that could squash the appropriation process for the rest of the fiscal year. House Appropriations Chair Rosa DeLauro and all of her subcommittee chairs issued a joint statement pushing Republicans to come to the table, stressing that a lengthy continuing resolution would be nothing short of catastrophic. But some top Republicans see little benefit in backing a $1 trillion-plus government funding package while staking their position against inflation and federal spending ahead of next year's midterm elections. In failing to negotiate a deal, both Republicans and Democrats would lose out on billions of dollars for projects back home, brought about by the return of earmarks, a decision backed by Senate Democrats and both parties in the House. So friends, what are your thoughts on a possible government shutdown? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the key word for this video is blessings. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's 3 $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you click and like my videos, make sure that you are also subscribed to my channel, and comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much, friends. Many are worried about the Social Security's upcoming raise. Next year, Social Security benefits will be eligible for a 5.9% cost of living adjustment, leaving seniors with their largest raise in decades. In fact, the Social Security Administration estimates that once the boost is implemented, the average monthly benefit will increase from $1,565 to $1,657, representing a $92 monthly raise. But that does not mean that the average senior is about to get $92 richer per month. Thanks to an upcoming increase in the cost of Medicare, Social Security's 2022 raise may fall very short of expectations. Though Medicare Part A, which covers hospital care, is free for most enrollees, Part B, which covers diagnostic and outpatient care, charges a monthly premium that can change from year to year. This year, the standard Part B premium is $148.50, though higher earners pay more. But next year, the standard Part Premium B is jumping all the way up to $170.10. And for seniors who pay their Part B premiums through Social Security, that extra money will come right out of their benefits, leaving them with less income to enjoy. So friends, what are your thoughts on the current amount Social Security beneficiaries are receiving? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this Monday morning. I truly appreciate all of you who are with me and watching my videos. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's 3 $100 Walmart gift card, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Comment below the keyword from each video, and don't forget to click and like my videos. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed week.